PlayVibe sent me this tree swing for my review, and this thing is awesome. I'm unsure how my dog feels about it, but you know, he's getting used to it. So it does come with all of the hardware to attach this to a swing. Like it comes with the carabiners and it comes with the straps, but I had a chair here, so I just kind of used the hardware that I already had, but it is included, which is really great. This is 40 inches and it can hold up to 400 pounds. So this is going to be really fun. You know, kids, adults, obviously everybody can enjoy this. It was easy to set up, but I did not follow the directions properly, so I actually had to undo everything. But once you follow them properly, you are literally just sliding in some foam tubes around here. So these are like metal pipes underneath it, so you know that it is nice and strong, but it does have foam around it. So on the edges here, it's not hard or anything like that. But yeah, this thing is really awesome. This one clearly is the multicolor. It also comes with some flags that you can put on here to like decorate, but they also have like one of those like spider net swings as well. So depending on what you're looking for, can't go wrong. This thing is awesome.